I drilled a hole in Destined Rivals, but I didn't want to. It was
the Wheel of Doom.
We destroy whatever the Wheel of Doom lands on and get to open the rest. Today, this is the pack that will meet its doom. For a chance to be featured in our next video, give us a follow and comment your destruction method below. Let's quickly open the packs that survive.
Hello there.
Not good.
A huge thank you to Prism Guard for sponsoring this video. If you want to keep your graded cards sleek and safe, head on over to prismguard.com and use promo code DEMO at checkout for 10% off all orders. That's pryzmguard.com. Now let's destroy this pack.
NANI?!
What the dog doing?